Welcome to KarateMind. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the core aspects of karate, kata. If you've ever wondered what kata is and why it's so important in karate, you're in the right place. Let's explore the essence of kata and its significance in martial arts. So, what exactly is kata? In simple terms, kata is a predefined sequence of movements and techniques that simulate a combat scenario. Think of it as a choreographed routine in karate, similar to a dance routine but designed for self-defense. Kata includes a series of strikes, blocks, and stances, performed in a specific order. These movements are meant to help practitioners practice their techniques in a structured way. Each kata has a name and a unique pattern, reflecting its own set of principles and strategies. Now you might be asking, why do karate practitioners spend so much time on kata? Well, there are several reasons why kata is essential. Firstly, kata helps to improve technique. By practicing kata, practitioners repeatedly perform movements, which helps them perfect their techniques and develop muscle memory. Secondly, kata teaches discipline and focus. The precise movements and the concentration required to perform them correctly help build mental discipline. It's not just about physical skill, it's about mental control and perseverance. Thirdly, kata is a way to understand and internalize karate principles. Each kata embodies different strategies and concepts of karate, like balance, timing, and distance. Practicing these katas helps students understand these concepts in a practical and repeatable way. Lastly, kata is also a form of self-defense training. While you don't fight an opponent directly in kata, the movements are designed to prepare you for real-life situations. Each move has a practical application that can be used in various combat scenarios. Let's take a look at a few examples of popular katas in karate. For instance, the kata, Heian Shoden, is often one of the first katas taught to beginners. It's a fundamental kata that introduces basic techniques and stances. Another well-known kata is Kanku Dai, which is more advanced and incorporates a wider range of techniques and movements. It's often practiced to develop advanced skills and to understand deeper karate principles. So there you have it. Kata is a fundamental aspect of karate that helps practitioners develop technique, discipline, and understanding of martial principles. It's much more than just a set of movements, it's a way to internalize and apply the art of karate. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to KarateMind for more insights into the world of karate. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. See you next time.